In this tutorial, I will demonstrate the process of obtaining and sharing your WhatsApp link with colleagues or acquaintances. Begin by launching the WhatsApp application on your smartphone. It's important to note that the application itself lacks a direct feature for copying your link. Therefore, I will guide you through a manual method of creating it. Select and open a conversation with a colleague you wish to share your link with. This method can also be applied to various other platforms such as TikTok, Instagram, and others. Proceed to type we.me followed by your phone number after the slash. Please ensure that you include the country code associated with your phone number to ensure the link functions correctly. Begin by entering the plus sign, followed by the country code, and finally, your phone number. Once completed, click the send button to transmit the link. This generated link will serve as your unique identifier. When the recipient opens the link, they will be directed to a conversation with you on WhatsApp, enabling them to send messages. I trust this tutorial has been beneficial in assisting you.